A complete history taking is very important to plan the course of action. Integrity of the levator ani is assessed. Urinary incontinence has tremendous social and general health effects, and there are several validated questionnaires which are specifically developed to assess the severity and impact on the quality of life and sexual health, like King's Health Questionnaire and Female Sexual Function Index (FSFI). Now they are all used during the initial visits and they are repeated in the future to measure the improvement over time. So we let the patient fill a form where we can come to know how is her quality of life being impaired. This is the chair. It's high intensity electromagnetic field. It is intended to provide entirely non-invasive electromagnetic stimulation of the pelvic floor musculature for the purpose of rehabilitation of weak pelvic muscles and restoration of the neuromuscular control for the treatment of both male as well as a female urinary incontinence. Patient positioning is very important. Keep the straight spine, position the pelvis, legs are perpendicularly fixed. Once the patient is seated in the correct position, then start the treatment. Increase the intensity slowly until the patient feels pelvic floor muscle contractions, and she should feel intense contractions but never a pain. The electromagnetic current contracts the pelvic floor muscles simultaneously, delivering 12,000 Kegels contraction in only 30 minutes, which is not possible for any person to do on its own. Protocol 1 is a gentle and a gradual stimulation of the pelvic floor, exercising with light weights, and the possible candidates are the patients with symptoms of weak pelvic floor, post-op rehabilitation or the postpartum rehabilitation. The protocol 2 is intense protocol for further strengthening of the pelvic floor, exercising with heavy weights. The possible candidates are patients asking for pelvic floor strengthening, patients who reached plateau with the protocol 1. The usual recommended protocol is that 6 therapies minimum should be given, which can be extended to 8, and if the effect is not much, it can be given up to 10 to 12 sittings also. The therapy time for each is 28 to 30 minutes and the frequency is usually it is scheduled twice a week.